So how much time do we leave the magnets on our body? With advanced training, you're able to determine the exact amount of time, like the exact minutes you would need based on your geographic latitude, because Earth's magnetism matters. For the sake of our training, I'm going to suggest that you keep them on your body for at least 30 minutes. This constitutes a session. Time begins when all magnets of any given formula are on your body. The issue of time is a big one. There is time. See, if you sleep, there is time because you can use the magnets as you go to bed. But of course, you can use magnets anytime you want. You could wake up and use them then during lunch break, use them whenever you want. If you fall asleep during this process, for example, you're in bed and the magnets are all over you a couple hours later, nothing bad is going to happen. And also, you're probably not going to get any more benefit from having them on longer. For example, when you're filling up a glass of water, well, it's full now. Leaving it under the water is not going to make it any more full. You could, it's not going to hurt you. Like, let's just say I cut myself. Let me just carry the magnet around my cut there all day long. No problem.